Well, my roadies, we are here again. Roadtrip Davis coming at you from Great Wolf Lodge. That's right. We're going to take a ride on every single slide in this resort, and you're going to see some of the amazing Christmas decorations that are right here in this wonderful hotel. So stay right here and let's do this. During our most recent trip to Great Wolf Lodge in Concord, North Carolina, outside of Charlotte, we found that the hotel has beautiful Christmas decorations. As we take a look at the outside hotel wolves, decked out in red bows, you know the drill, Dave's Roadies. Like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell. Follow me on the social media. And if you want to, please donate to my channel on PayPal. When you enter Great Wolf Lodge during the holiday season, you will immediately be immersed in a winter wonderland motif, complete with snowflakes hanging from the rafters and sparkling icicles dangling from the check-in desk. I thought it was just gorgeous to see this Christmas wreath above the fireplace hearth, with a nice crackling fire going. It made it feel warm and welcoming. The hotel's Christmas trees are not themed, but they are very well lit and placed strategically around the lobby to allow for guests to come and go, but they can look around and take it all in as well. The clock tower, where Great Wolf's animatronic characters gather for story time, is also wonderfully decked out for the holidays with some nice touches. It is good to be back here at Great Wolf Lodge. Nice little cabana there. And this is where you can pretty much just swim around and play water basketball and go crazy. But this right here is a wonderful challenge for kids and adults. Is the Lily Pad Bigfoot Pass course. This is always a favorite with my kids. They love doing this. And I did it too, but I'm not going to film myself this time. In other videos that I've shown you guys with Great Wolf Lodge, I've shown you the rooms, I've shown you all the restaurants, but I've only shown you maybe one or two rides. In this video, I'm gonna take you around the whole park, the whole indoor park, and we're gonna ride every slide together, including these right up here. So hang on for a bumpy ride. All right, the first thing here at Fort McKenzie is the Totem Tower. So let's ride these bad boys right here. refreshing. All right, my roadies, we're gonna hit Alberta Falls. It's a tube ride. You can go single or double, and my daughter wants to go double with me, so let's ride Alberta Falls. Let's do it. Okay, thank you. What's up, my roadies? Now right here, you can see where we go through is the Howling Tornado and then the River Canyon Run. This first ride we're gonna hit is Howling Tornado, and it is insane. As a matter of fact, I'll show you the ride we took during the night as well as the daytime. So let's do it. All right, my roadies, here we go. All right. Oh my word, I can't see a thing. Holy cow! Oh my word! Here we go. Now it's time for the Mountain Edge Raceway. This is where we actually get the racers. So let's go.
You'll notice that the blue slide on the far right was actually out of order, so we're only going to be riding 3 of the raceway slides.
Alright, now we're going to hit River Canyon Run. Now this is more of a family-friendly ride that actually takes care of the family, and it's not super thrilling like Howley Tornado, but it's still a lot of fun. So let's check it out and let's do that one. All right, here we go. Whoa.
Why am I backwards again?
Splash down.
Well, you know, my roadies, it wouldn't be a trip to Great Wolf Lodge without a swim in the wave pool. So let us go in the wave pool and check it out.
Well, my roadies, I hope you enjoyed seeing the magic and splendor of Great Wolf Lodge here for the Christmas season. And I hope you enjoyed every single ride that there is to do in the hotel here. Until next time, laters.
Make sure you check out some of my other videos from many different destinations. More videos are coming your way soon, my roadies. Until next time, laters.